Welcome to Professional AutoCAD by Royal Mechanica. So today we are going for another exercise of AutoCAD. As you can see, this is the figure that we are going to practice. So first thing what we need to do is take out the picture of this particular diagram in your paper or notebook, or you can take the screenshot from your laptop or mobile. First thing what we need to do is we have to create 3 circles here of diameter 26, again 60 diameter and 80 diameter, and by using array command we have to draw 8 circles of diameter 10. Now from here to here the distance is 80. It is at the downside. You can see here to here distance is 80. By using this is distance 80, you have to draw the center line, extend the center line, and from here the distance is 40, and again 2 circles are there. And here the distance from this center to this center is 85, and from this center you can take 85 distance, and you can draw the circles of 26 dia and 52 dia. And for drawing these 2 circular lines, we are going to see how in the practice. So we are going to begin. I will make this figure here. First 26, 84 and 60 diameter circle I have to take. Okay, I will take here, go to the circle, select center diameter command, and here go for thick, specify any point and write here 26. Okay, go for another one. Again we need 84 and 60. Okay, 84 you write down, enter. Again 60. So we have drawn 3 circles here. Now for drawing this eight circles of diameter 10, how we are going to do. See, let us see. What you need to do is to first draw a circle diameter. First you have to draw, for using array command you have to draw first a circle of diameter 10. I will draw for. Okay, it is at the center. I'll take a line here, it will be better if we take a line. See, circle of diameter 10. Now how to use the array command, let us see. First I have to type ARRAY command, press enter, select object, then again press enter. Now go for, it is asking enter array type, rectangular, path, polar. Go for polar. I have to select this bus. But here we need 8 circles. How to do that? Go at the top. Here in items you have to select it. In this way we can go for this. See, in this way we have created this. Now coming to the here from main circle here to here distance is 80. First of all we will take, and after that we will see. Take line from center, we go for 80. Line has been drawn. Okay, 8 distance is there. Okay, 80 distance is there. From 80 we need 40 here, so what we will do is take a line, go for 40, enter, then press escape. Now you have to draw two circles of diameter 16 and diameter 36. Okay. Eighteen, 36. This changing, I think. 16 and 36 down. Okay. Okay. So this is 16 and 36. Okay. And from here to here the distance may be 45, because here to here distance is 40. Okay, but you have got another specification that from this center the distance is 85, so we will take by that only, take a line and draw 85, press enter. Here we will draw 26 and 52 diameter circles, 26 and 52. Take circle diameter 26 and 52. First go for 26, press enter, and again 52 will go with 62. Right. Like this. Got. Now coming on to this, how to take this line we will understand first. How to take this line means you have to go for tangent. Let us see. So for drawing this line, what we need to do, this is important thing. Here what you need to do is, first, this is different. First of all you have to take line command, press enter. Now in this specify first point you have to type tan. Select this circular object will come. Again here you have to type tan, another one, another circle is there, right? You can click anywhere, it will create joining. Again enter. First I will go with tan. Take any part you can take, it will, again you have to press, don't mention dimensions, you can press tan and select the second circle. See, in this way we have created this. Now coming to two circles here, again this you can see, this is of 96, this is actually a circle, 96 radius is there. Again this is also a circle of 42 radius. First of all we'll go with 96, so let us see how to do 96 and 42. First go with circle radius you have to take. Now you can take here, you have to take tan radius, because we are, you can see here, you can take here tan radius circle, because you can see here tangent circle is there, again here tangent circle is there, two, because the circle is becoming tangent to this, this 96 radius circle is becoming tangent to these two circles, outside circles. You can see this is actually a circle of 96 radius, this is tangent to this circle and also this circle. For this thing you have to take tan radius, not circle, you have to take tan radius circle. Now what you need to do is, you have to press here tangent here, again go for tangent here, again it's asking radius, so you have to press 96, it will come like this. So you have to take from here, inner side you have to take, it will come like this. I have to delete this and you have to take from inner side. Let us see. happen, it will happen. If we practice for 2 or 3 times, it will not happen. Okay, so what you need to do is tangent I have taken, again tangent I have taken. Now you have to put radius 26. Like this is happening. You have to select it very carefully. So go for this again, take here now. Center. It is again coming like that only. We'll slightly change the directions now. Like this you have to create, right? Now similar way you have to create a radius 42. Again I am taking this tangent radius. This will come directly. Tangent and tangent. Radius is 42. Radius is 42. See here. But got it. Now you have to make certain thing here. You have to trim now. For trim TR, press TR enter, then double enter you have to do. TR double enter you have to do like this. Like this you have to TR double enter. Everything will get trimmed. And see here, everything got trimmed. See here, now you can measure the dimensions. L, enter. Then enter. We are just completing this. Okay, right. Now footprint that again line 20. I will take the array of this. Go with array command. REY. Press enter. Polar. Enter. And make it as 8. Make it as 8. Oh, sorry. Now measuring the dimensions here. First of all, look with diameter only. This is 26. Okay. What is this? 52. Okay. This it is 60. Okay. This I mean 16. I take. What is this? It is 26. Okay. $84. Okay. 10. Okay. 18. Okay. 36. Okay. So this we have diameter. So we'll go with radius now. We'll check radius. Radius of this 42. Okay. Okay, here is 96 and here is also 96, and measuring the horizontal distance. here 80, as you can see here 80 is there. Measuring the vertical distances from this center of circle to this center of circle is 85. Okay, and what is from it will be the diameter. Okay, right. So in this way we have to draw this figure, as you can see, and we can make the lines also center lines like this I have made in the figure. In this way you have to draw this. It is a difficult AutoCAD problem. Understand it carefully, and for any, if there is any problem in this, you can write me in comments. Thank you.